Hello everybody, I am Anjali and welcome again to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make designer neckline for your back neck. So let's get started. So first I'm going to draft this. So I'm going to draft it on this newspaper. So first I'm going to take the half of my shoulder measurement, that is 7. And then from the 7 inch of marking I'll go 7.5 inch down. This is my armhole line. So here I will mark a point and then I'll make a straight line. Now here I'm going to mark the measurement of my bust. So whatever the measurement of your bust is, divided by 4 and then mark it here. Now from the top I'm going to measure the measurement of the total length of my blouse, and then I'll add 1 inch to it. So I'm going to make 15 inch, so I'm adding 1 inch, so 16 inch is the total length. So here at the end I'm going to mark the measurement of the waist. So again divide your waist measurement by 4 and then mark it here. Now join these 2 points. Now from this corner I'll take 1 inch and then I'll make a line, and then I'll make a curve here touching this line. So this will be my back armhole measurement. Now I'm going to take 2 inch of marking for the cutting. So I'll take 2 inch extra fabric for the fittings. Now I will take 4 inch for the neck width, and then I'll give half an inch down marking for the shoulder drop. Here I'm taking 2 inch of depth for my neckline, and then I'll join these 2 points with a curve. Now my marking is done. Now I'm going to cut this out. Here the cutting is done and it's looking like this. Now here we are going to give the measurement for the neck design. So from the bottom part I'll take 1 inch up a marking, and then from the neckline here I'm going to mark 3 inch of marking from the folded side, and then I'll mark a point here. Now I'm going to join these 2 points. I'm going to join this 3 inch of marking to the bottom part where we have given 1 inch of marking. So just join this with little bit of curve. Take your time and then give the curve. Once you are satisfied with the curve that you have given, then from the bottom part you have to extend this line little bit more, and then from the another side also. This is very easy to make. Here you can see and do the same. Now once this is done, cut it out like this. So one part is ready, and here I'm going to cut this extra part like this. So here my second part is also done. So this is the 2 part of the back side. Now I will keep this on the fabric like this. I will pin this, and from here, from this curve, I will take 1/4 inch of extra fabric and I will mark it here like this. So I'm going to cut this out like this, exactly the same. Only for that curve side I'm going to give 1/4 inch extra. Similarly, I will place the another part also on the fabric, and then from the curve side I'm going to take again 1/4 inch extra. This is the curve side. So here you can see I'm giving 1/4 inch extra fabric. So our cutting is done, and here is the pieces, and it's looking like this. So now I'm going to complete this part. So for that I have this long bias binding strip, and then I have made a piping with this thread. So I'm going to attach it here to the edges of the curve like this. So here I'm going to give the stitch, and then I will turn it to the wrong side like this. So here you can see how I'm giving the stitch. Here you can see my piping is attached. Now I will take this part to the wrong side, and then I can give the top stitch. After giving the top stitch, it's looking like this. Now we are going to complete the another side, the bottom part. So for the bottom part, I've got again this bias binding strip, and I will keep it here like this, right on right, and then I'm going to give the stitch. So here you can see I am attaching my bias binding strip to the bottom part of the fabric. So here it is attached. Now I'll take this to the wrong side, and I'll take 2 little folds, and then I'll give the stitch. So here you can see I have given 1 stitch to the edges, and then I'll give 1 more stitch to the another side. Here both the parts are ready. Now just take the pattern and then place it here like this. Now mark this extra fabric and then give the marking with the help of chalk, and then you have to place your another side on this marking. So like this you will get an idea where you have to place your fabric and then give the stitch. You also have to match both the necklines also, and then pin this. Here you can see I have matched both the necklines. Now I'm going to give the stitch. And here my stitch is done. Now I'm going to complete the neckline. So for the neckline, again I'm using my bias binding piping, and I will attach it here like this. Here my piping is attached to the neckline. Now I'm going to take it to the wrong side, and then I'll give the top stitch. So after giving the top stitch, my neckline is looking like this. It is ready. This is the side part and this is the bottom part. So here you can see my neckline is done. This is the stitch that we have given to attach both the pieces. This is the bottom part and this is the neckline. So like this our back part is ready, but if you want to decorate this little more, then you can always add some decorative buttons at the sides. Here you can see, so I have this beautiful flower motifs, so I'm going to attach it here like this, and this motifs will give really beautiful and glamorous look to my blouse. So if you want, you can make decorative buttons with the help of this contrast fabric and then attach it here. That will also look good. Here like this my blouse is ready. Now you have to attach the shoulder, then sleeves, and then the fittings. So this was really easy to make. I hope you liked it and you learned something new from this video. If you liked it, then please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on my Instagram handle also. All the links are below in the description box. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.